Activated charcoal for detoxification of toxins, poisons and mold buildup in your body. Activated charcoal is a powerful and versatile natural treatment that can trap toxins and chemicals in the body and help their elimination. In most popular use is as a natural remedy for poisoning and drug overdose. Yet it is also helpful in the case of high cholesterol, bloating and gas, hangovers, bile flow issues during pregnancy, etc. The charcoal is a porous black solid form of carbon obtained as a residue when wood, bone or other organic matter is heated in the absence of air. It is used for barbecue, air purification and vacuum cleaners, in water treatment systems and in sewage treatment. While activated charcoal has oxygen added to it to boost its porosity and it increases its surface area, which is better for binding toxins. Millions of tiny pores of activated charcoal trap chemicals and toxins but do not absorb them. Instead, it works through the chemical process of adsorption where elements bind to a surface. Its porous surface has a negative electric charge that causes positive charged toxins and gas to bind with it. When taking it internally, make sure you drink plenty of water, about 16 glasses daily, since it can cause dehydration and it needs to water to quickly flush out the toxins. Some common uses of activated charcoal. Gas and bloating. It effectively treats gas and bloating by binding the gas causing byproducts in foods that cause discomfort. To prevent these issues, you should take 500 milligram an hour before the typical gas producing meal with a full glass of water. Digestive cleanse. Activated charcoal detoxifies the body and supports a healthy digestive tract. In this way, it also prevents allergic reactions, oxidative damage and poor immune system functions and boosts energy levels, mental function and alleviates joint pain. Take 10 gram 1.5 hours before meal for 2 days to complete the digestive cleanse with it. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Alcohol poisoning and hangovers. It eliminates toxins that contribute to alcohol poisoning and relieves the symptoms of hangover. Skin and body health. Activated charcoal can also be used topically and is effective in fighting body odor, acne, snake bites, rashes and discomfort due to insect bites. To soothe a mosquito bite or bee sting, mix 1 capsule of activated charcoal with half tablespoonful of coconut oil and dab on the affected area. For bites from snakes and spiders, dab the mixture of coconut oil and activated charcoal on a piece of fabric and wrap it around the affected area. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours, rinsing well between the applications. To treat acne and spots, mix 1 capsule of activated charcoal with 2 tablespoonfuls of aloe vera gel and apply the mixture on surface. Rinse it off when it dries. Anti-aging. Activated charcoal prevents cellular damage to kidneys and liver, ensures healthy adrenal glands, cleanses the body of toxins and prevents premature aging. Take 2 capsules daily after being exposed to heavy meals or toxins or after the consumption of inorganic foods. High cholesterol. Activated charcoal lowers bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol as effectively as prescription does, but should not take it within 2 hours of taking any prescription medication or supplement. Teeth whitening. Activated charcoal whitens teeth while improving oral health by changing the pH balance in the mouth, treating gum diseases, fighting bad breath and helping prevent cavities. Just wet the toothbrush and dip it into the powdered activated charcoal and brush the teeth as usual. Rinse well. Emergency toxins removal. It can be used in case of an accidental or purposeful an overdose of many pharmaceutical drugs and over-the-counter medications, including aspirin, opium, cocaine, morphine, acetaminophen, etc. It should be taken within an hour of ingestion. It is also useful in case of food poisoning when nausea and diarrhea are present. Adults should take 25 grams or the children to alleviate the symptom, and for children it should be 10 grams. Water filtration. It traps impurities in water such as solvents, pesticides, industrial wastes and other chemicals. Some studies suggest that it can also eliminate some fluorides from the water. You can also purchase activated charcoal water filters for whole home system or some countertop models and drink 10 glasses of pure water daily to keep the body hydrated. You should also benefit a lot from having activated charcoal in your first aid kit, both at home and office. When you use it for natural healing, make sure you always choose charcoal made from natural sources, such as coconut shells or identified wood species with ultra fine grains. Activated charcoal powders form is best for facial masks, toothpaste, smoothies, for fast cleansing, and for your pets. You can use activated charcoal in capsules or tablets. For internal cleansing, or use the powder from the capsules for teeth whitening, skin breakouts, or insect bites. Activated charcoal soap relieves skin breakouts in case of psoriasis, eczema, and acne. Activated charcoal toothpaste is a potent teeth whitening agent. Activated charcoal mask is used to clear the pores, shrink them, remove dead skin cells, and eliminate acne spots and blackheads. Remember, activated charcoal is not meant for long-term use. You should take it at least 2 hours away from the medications and supplements, or immediately after toxins ingestion. You should drink plenty of water to prevent constipation and follow the directions on the package on recommended daily dosage. Here is a delicious activated charcoal detox recipe you should definitely try soon. Activated charcoal detox drink. 1 cup of pure aloe vera water or juice, 2 capsules activated coconut charcoal, 1 cup of lemon water, 2 tablespoonfuls raw apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoonful of ground turmeric, and 2 tablespoonfuls of lemon juice. Pour the liquid ingredients into the blender, open the charcoal capsule and add the powder into the liquid, discard the capsule portion, add the ground turmeric and blend the mixture until you get a homogeneous mixture, add ice and serve.